Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will learn about difference between generate and generate all function. Okay, so here you can see this is our database, this is our table, actual sales and sales target. Here you can see this is sales target table, salesman here, and this is their sales target. And in actual sales, this is also salesperson and what they sold. Okay, so but here you can see all salesperson from this table, actual table, are not available in the sales target table. So here first of all, let's see, we here used we have to know generate function actually do the cross join between two tables. Okay, so you must know the what is cross join. So every row of one table should be joined with every row of another table. Okay, so this is our first table, actual sales, and this is second table, sales target, and I have created generate function with it. So if I run it, you can see, let's see, every row of the first table is joined with every row of second table. Here you can see it is cross join. Okay, generate function do the cross join. Then we want to know inner join via generate function. So how we can do? Here we can see I have used generate function, actual sense, and related table. I have used related table with sales target. So related table, what related table does? Related table picks the related columns, related data from another table. So whenever I use generate function with related table, it is picking the common rows from two tables. It is picking common rows from two tables which are available in both of the tables. The common rows which are available in both of the tables, this function, this dax function will be picking it up. So here you can see this is the salesperson, this is what he sold, and this is his sales target. Okay, this is inner join. So via generate function, generate all function, we can use left join also. Okay, so how we can do it? Let's see. Here you can see slightly changed. We have used generate all function, then the first table, this is the left table, and this is the right table. Here also I have used related table function. So here you can see this is our left table, this is our right table. So what left join do? Left join picks the common rows from both of the tables, right and left also, but also the extra rows from left table also. It picks the common rows from both two tables and also picks the extra rows from the left table. So this is our left table, this is our right table. Here you can see I have said that in the sales target database all the salesperson was not available. Okay, so here you can see AE was not available, but it is coming in the left table. AI was not available, AL was not available, but it is coming because of the left join. Okay, it is gathering all the data from left table and the common data from the right table only. Okay, so this is the thing of generate and generate all function. So I think you got my point in this tutorial. So if you like my content, please like my videos, please share my videos, among your friends, support my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, thank you.